This video will show you how to use the citation tool in Google Docs. So I have a brand new blank Google Doc, and I want to create my works cited page. Under Tools, I now go to Citations. And then over here on the right-hand side, you can see this taskbar pops up. So I would first pick which format, which style of citations I'm doing. I'm going to go with MLA for this. Now I need to start adding in my sources. So I click on Add Citation Source. Then I would need to select which type of source I'm adding in. So if it were a print book, I would pick Book, Print. I could search for it with the ISBN, or if I hit Cite manually, I now then have to do a little bit of data entry, adding in who the author is, the title, the publisher, etc. When I'm done, I would click on this Add Citation Source. I can also add in a website. So I accessed it by the website. So let's say I was doing Abraham Lincoln, and I really liked this website here from the White House about him, and I want to be sure to cite this. I copy that link. I go back into my blank document, and right here where it says search with the URL, I paste that in, and then I hit search. It is saying that this is from the White House. Yep, that is the right. It's highlighting for me a couple of the things that are missing. And then I would hit continue. So now I could go back in to this website and see some of these things that are missing. Like, does it tell me what year this was published? I could look for that information if it did tell me, which it doesn't. So I could leave that blank. Once I've completed everything, I hit Add Citation Source. There it is, and I can then insert that work cited if I were ready, or I could continue to add in another if I had another one that I wanted to do. But let's say I'm all done. I'm going to go ahead and insert that works cited page. So now you can see over here, it actually labels it, gives that page a title, and then it adds in the source, does the hanging indent. If I had multiple items over here, it would also alphabetize those. If you are adding in a source from a database, though, unfortunately that does not, you can't just add in the URL in that same way. You would actually have to go into the database and then copy that into your document here. And you would have to do the actual alphabetizing, although this one should come first. And you would just move that as appropriate. Another feature you can see over here, so if you did add one in, you can see this cite, and if you could actually insert the in-text citation there as well. And that is how to use the new Google Citations.